A small update. Before I used these two chips. They are both 7404, which are both a NOT gate, but they have 6 NOT gates, as you can see here on the diagram, but not 7. And I was talking with a friend, and my friend from England, he told me, hey, you can use an ULN 2003 or 2004, whichever you have, and those are having 7 NOT gates inside them. And as the diagram shows here, they do have 7 outputs. Here is the ground pin, here is the common positive for everything. On this running here is the second one that has no marking on it. I only have marking on this one, which is a ULN2003. And this one that I put here is 2004. I have 3 of them, 2004, and 2003 I have only 2 of them, and I want to use everything. But the difference from ULN2003 and 2004 is the voltage, operating voltage. And for 2004 that I'm having there is from 6 volts to 15 volts or something, and from for 2003 is only exclusively for 5 volts. And also is the how it's called, the technology they use. If it's TTL, if it's I believe 2001 it was TTL, transistor logic, and these are CMOS. On 2004 is PMOS or something. Anyway, the idea is that they are running on presumably on higher voltage level, but it works fine on me. On my side I have 5 volts there. Absolutely cool. And I hook it up with only 2 chips instead of 3 chips that I had last time. I'm managing to make this motherfucker work, and this guy should work directly on this 4033 chip. On this chip directly without that NOT gate, common negative. But this is having a common positive here from this resistor. It's a common positive for everything, and this NOT gate is actually surging the current through it. So the negative is coming when his dot is open, one gate is open, and is letting one segment there. Pretty much this is it. Yeah, very good idea with ULN 2000 and whatever, 2003. And yeah, good shit. It's nice that I have these components. I don't have many of them. They are actually extremely old, and probably they are quite used. And I use them for motors to drive some DC motors. I believe I did some tests very long time ago. Another thing, very important thing. I realized that I don't like this 4033 anymore. I don't like them as I like them in the beginning when I didn't put my hands on them. Why? Simply and most importantly, because they are only counting up from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 0 again and so on. But the problem is that they are not counting down from 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and so on, you know. And that's very, very, very extremely unfortunate. I wish they were counting down, and I didn't think of it at all in the beginning. And now me and my friend from England, we are researching this problem. Hopefully we will find a chip that will do both counting up and counting down, because if I will have a potentiometer like this here, if I will turn the potentiometer, I want to update that counter either positive or negative, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, and depends how I'm rotating the knob, it will update the numbers. And if I'm putting 2 displays like up to 100 or to 1000, it will be very, very interesting to have in both directions. And also what is another very big problem, is having a common cathode option and common anode option, and that if that will be an option, that will be absolutely in one package, in one chip. That will be interesting. That will be very interesting to have, to drive both categories of this 7-segment displays, because these are pretty limited. I don't like them anymore. But no, I'm joking. But for small circuits, for small, they are convenient, very, very dedicated chips. I get that. I understand that they're extremely dedicated. And for small projects like counting to 1, 2, 3, from what I actually read a little bit from its datasheet of. And they are very good, this 4033, they are very good for clocks, for displaying time in clocks. And some sort of counters that they don't, or for counting usually, but not only counting up, not counting down, reversing counting, and reset and starting from 0, which sucks. But some sort of counters can use them as well. It's limited, but it's interesting. I still find them interesting. I hope I can find a good use of them, different from using them as clocks, for clocks. Or for probably some sort of counter somewhere, somehow. It's the only idea that I have. Alright, this is it for this part. Thank you very much. See you later. And thank you, my friend, that he had a very good idea with the ULN.